Sign the check. Check your phone for bank alert.
Hello gorgeous people, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl here, Breezy, and you're welcome to the channel. Guys, as you all can see from the title of this video, what you are about to watch. Oh my god, guys, as you all can see from the title of this video, what you're about to watch, it's about to go down. I'm going to be playing them like my favorite playlist on Nigeria music. I'm going to be playing it in this video. Guys, just like relax, carry your popcorn and keep watching this video, because see, I'm sitting down. I'm going to be rocking like rocking it, okay, in this video. I'm going to be rocking while I sit down, but if there's anyone I should stand up and rock, I'm going to stand up and rock it. I'm going to stand up and rock it for you guys. Forget to. Okay, I'm about to start this video. Like, guys, please, in case disclaimer, in case I stand up and rock it, meanwhile I don't know how to dance, so in case I stand up and rock it, it's going to be horrible, but manager. So my favorite playlist, like my favorite recently favorites, that's what I'm going to be playing on this video. The first I have on my playlist is Make I Know. Calling me the sugar and they might tease me, make I know now. If you don't show me, make I know now. If you don't, Are you feeling me, guys? Are you sure? If you not love me, wait again. Guys, I'm going to be leaving the name of the singer, the name of the music on the screen, guys. So in case you like any of the music, so that you can search for it, guys. Like, this is just the beginning. So the next on my playlist is My Heart Beats For You. Oh God, my heart beats for you. My heart beats for you. I feel loved again. Okay, guys, that music, oh my god, it's so lit. Like that music, like I don't want to talk. I don't want to make anybody special in this video. This music, I so much love it. Like, guys, I love this music. Third on my playlist is, oh my god, For My One. Almost single babe. Hold on tight. Hold on, jeje. Guys, I love this music a lot. I love it a lot. So next on my playlist, oh my goodness, guys, I don't know if you enjoyed this video. As for me, I'm having fun. I'm enjoying this video. Like, if you watch up to this point and you have not subscribed, come on, what are you waiting for? Hit that red button that says subscribe, press the notification bell, hit the thumbs up button, and like this video. Okay, next on my playlist, guys, Omale, Nothing I Do. Thank God I got the lay. Guys, I love this music. Like, I love this music a lot. Like, Omale killed Like he murdered this music. He finished the music. I thank God say I got the Leo. Forget though. The next on my playlist is, let me play the next one. Next on my playlist is, goodness, oh my gosh, this music. Semi released this music. Like this music came out when we were on that time we were still on quarantine. We were at home. Like I love this music a lot. Don't care. I love this music. I think that period was the period I started my YouTube channel. I don't know anything about playlists that time because I thought everything is going to be a copyright. This is still one of my favorites. Let me play it, guys.
First, let me say to you,
I know I rub my tummy now. Many of you will be like, it's like she's pregnant, so that is the letter she received. No, I'm not pregnant, guys. Like I just love this music a lot. Like I love this music. Let me play. Everything is for you. That's why my heart today beat like do care.
see, I may not give the word
To you, but I give you what I have.
my heart today beat like
do care. 2020, that's when Semi brought out this music. Like I love this music a lot. This is like this. If this music is not my playlist, that means that playlist is not complete because I love this music. So next on my playlist, looking at shaking girls. Yeah.
Check your phone for bank alert.
One thing I like Flavor about is that like his music. If Flavor music not pass nyash, you know, will pass love or nyash. I like Flavor about that. Like I like his music. Some of his music, not all anyway. I like some of his music, and his music is very nice, and I like the way he roll his waist. Like so next on my playlist, guys, if you have watched up to this point, you have not hit that red button that says subscribe. What are you waiting for? So subscribe, guys. Next on my playlist, Jawa.
I know fit tire for you, but I like say I know do.
Jawa,
Look into my eyes, oh baby.
Jawa. So guys, I'm going to be moving next on my playlist, guys. Oh, like I like him a lot. I like his music. Owen like this music. In fact, not only me, this house, Owen love this music. Like he like this music. If he hear once Owen is crying before, just put this music for him. Once he hear this music, Owen is going to jump up and start watching the television. Like he like to watch the video, the music video. He will just start watching him. Like Owen like the music, not only me. So am I. I love the music. I just want Lulu.
Can you get yourself inside my room? Show you love. Let me turn you on. Get yourself inside my room. Let me show you something.
I don't know if you are enjoying this video. If you are enjoying this video, share the video, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe if you have not. Okay, next on my playlist, guys. So, now they waste my time. You not gonna deceive me. I love this music. I don't know. I don't know why, but I just love this music. Yeah, where Yemi Alade say, "You now want to see me, not going to see me." Oh, guys, I love this music. I like it a lot. This is the next on my playlist. Yeah, guys, I'm going to be playing the last on my playlist. On my playlist, like. Yeah. Hop in my Maserati.
I said, hop in my Maserati, Maserati. Girl, I wanna see you go down. Say me, I love the way you dance.
Guys, since this is the last on my playlist, I think I need to shake my body a little bit. Like
it's about to go down.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys, this video, like, I really enjoyed filming this video. I really enjoyed myself filming this video. If you enjoy watching this video as well, leave your comment down below. Let me know you also enjoy this video as much as I do enjoy filming the video. Leave your comment down below. Your favorite music. Like, these are my playlists. I just played on this video. Like, they are all my favorites, like my favorite playlist. I love this music a lot. Thank you all so much for watching this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.